All right, next on the agenda, we're going to talk about a common gymnastics move. I guess you can call it gymnastics move in CrossFit, the double under. All right, so in CrossFit, we like to take things kind of sort of to the next level. And so when we say jump rope, this is how we jump rope. We're simply going to, every time we swing the rope and we jump, we want the rope to pass underneath our feet 2 times, hence the term double under. All right, but there are several progressions. This is a skill, a lot of times it takes months to actually acquire. But these are some of the progressions we use here to kind of teach the double under. Starting out with simply doing regular jump rope, simple single under. So she's going to start out just jumping rope, all right? So key things I want you looking at here, she's jumping just a little bit, 2-3 inches off the ground, not super high, not swinging the rope super fast. All right, this is your normal single under. Normally in a workout, if you don't have double unders yet, we might double up doing the number of these. So go ahead and relax. All right, so the next progression is we want to kind of increase the height of the jump. So Allison's going to continue doing single unders, but notice when she jumps, she's going to be coming about 6 inches off the ground instead of just the normal 2 or 3. This is what's going to give her time to kind of double tap, swing that rope underneath her feet 2 times, all right? So go ahead and throw one in there, Allison, if you can. Notice you hear the speed of the rope as she does that. This is the next progression, doing a double under followed by 2 singles. So single, single, double, single, single, double. Key things we're looking for here when we're doing these dubs, again, nice high jump. We're looking at holding the handles. Notice how she's holding those handles down here toward the bottom and not way up here toward the top. That gives the opportunity to get a little bit more momentum in that swing, all right? We will back up just a little bit. We're going to do what we call penguin slaps. So she's going to set the ropes down to kind of illustrate what we're doing with that rope when she's jumping. She's going to get into that nice, big, tall, I like to call it a pogo stick bounce here when she's bounding. But as she's doing that, when she's in midair, she's going to double tap her legs to kind of simulate the speed that we have to swing that rope. So it's not a constant, swing, swing, swing. It's a jump, double tap, jump, double tap, jump, double tap. All right, so she's going to go ahead and string about 5 or 10 double unders together. Just notice, you listen to the speed of the rope and how high she's coming off the ground. Notice that her hands are staying, you might even turn somewhat sideways, Allison. Hands are staying somewhat in front of her. She should be able to see her thumbs out of the corner of her eyes at all times. And we'll kind of keep those hands in kind of tight and looking straight ahead. Nice tall jump. Go ahead, Allison. Yep, that's all right. It happens to the best of us. Yeah. And this movement will bring you probably more frustration than anything else in CrossFit because, again, it takes usually a month or 2 of solid practice to actually be able to string those together like that. So just kind of work on that, during every time we have double unders in the workout, and just kind of work on stringing those together, and eventually you'll be a double under wonder.